This is Alok Gupta, your mathematics mentor and coach at Kkhyatis EdTech. So I'm back. I'm going to bring all the arithmetic topics that have been often asked in BBA and MBA entrance exams. We'll begin with percentages. It is very important. There are at least 4 topics which are very important that will lay your foundation. One is percentage, another is profit and loss, ratio, proportion and variation, and fourth one is mixture and alligation. If you are able to understand the concepts of these 4 topics, I think your foundation is already made, and then we can go ahead with this foundation and do all the other topics. So what is percentage? Let us understand. So percentage means always the comparison is done with 100. So let us say somebody asks you a question, how much percentage is 13 of 39? So we will always compare in terms of percentage, in terms of 100. So 39 corresponds to 13. So how much 100 will correspond to? So just by unitary method, we will do 100 upon 39 into 13, which is 100 upon 3. So this will be 33 1 by 3%, which means 13 is 33 1 by 3 percentage of 39. So how did we calculate the percentage? By comparing 3913 fraction to 100, what will come out of 100? So it is 33 1 by 3%. So that's basically what a percentage is, always compared with 100. Also another concept which is necessary is to convert fractions to percentages and percentages to fraction. And this is a very important technique which will reduce solving your problems by the concept which I'm going to show. If you take 3-4 minutes to solve a problem, this can be done in maybe 15-20 seconds. So let us understand. Fractions to percentage conversion. So let us begin with 1. So 1 obviously corresponds to full part, which is 100%. 1 by 2. So when you convert fractions to percentages, all you have to do is just multiply by 100. So 1 by 2 will be 50%. 1 by 3 will be 33 1 by 3%. 1 by 4 into 100 is 25%. 1 by 5 into 100 is 20%. Now 1 by 6. So how do we write 1 by 6? It is half of 1/3. So 1/3 is 33 1 by 3. So 1 by 6 would be 16.66%. Correct? 1 by 7. So this is something which you have to remember. This is actually got it by multiplying this by 100, and you divide 100 by 7, you will get 14.28%. What is 1 by 8? It is half of 1 by 4, which is 12.5%. What is 1 by 9? This you have to remember. It is 11.11%, or we can write it always as 11 1 by 9. How much is 1 by 10? Obviously, it is 10%. 1 by 11, this also we have to remember, which is 9.09%, or we can write it as 9 1 by 11. How much is 1 by 12? 1 by 12 is half of 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is 16.66. So 1 by 12 would be 8.33%. How much would be 1 by 13? 7.69%. Or we can 9 by 13. How much is 1 by 14? 1 by 14 is half of 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is 14.28. So 1 by 14 will be 7.14%. How much is 1 by 15? So 1 by 15 is 1/3 of 1/5. 1/5 is 20%. So 20 upon 3 will be 6.66%. How much is 1 by 16? So 1 by 16 is half of 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 12.5%. So 1 by 16 would be 6.25%. So similarly, we need to go at least till 1 by 25, and we need to understand all the fractions, how they can be converted into percentages. So 1 by 17 is going to be 5.88%. Right? So we move ahead. How much would be 1 by 18? So 1 by 18 is half of 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is how much? 11.11. So 1 by 9, 18 would be 5.55%. Correct? So we know 1 by 19, 1 by 20, 1 by 21. We'll just first write all the things. 1 by 22, 1 by 23, 1 by 24, 1 by 25. So 1 by 20 we know it is 5%. 1 by 25 we know it is 4%. 1 by 24 is 4.16%. 1 by 22 is half of 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is 9.09%. So this should be 4.54%. 1 by 23 will see, 1 by 29 will see. 1 by 21 is 1/3 of 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is 14.28. So 14.28 divided by 3. So it will come to approximately 4.76%. So this will be 4.76%. Similarly, you can calculate these two values also just by multiplying this by 100 and dividing 100 by 19 and dividing 100 by 23. I can actually show you dividing this by 100 by 19 and 100 by 23, but this video will become a little longer. But once you have understood the concept, you can definitely write this. So 1 by 19 is 5.26%. 1 by 23, if you actually multiply 1 by 23 into 100, 100 by 23, if you actually divide, you will get 4.26% or something. So this way, we are able to convert the fractions from 1 until up to 1.20, 1 upon 25, and we should remember all those things. Just practice this. It will, if you are able to remember 1 upon 10 तक के सारे percentages, then you can actually do it by, for example, if you want to remove 1 by 15, you do it 1/3 of 1/5. So 1/5 is 20%, 20 upon 3. So this way you can just practice and learn all these things. So whenever all these percentages are asked in the entrance exam, some sums, then you can always convert them into fractions, and then solving the problems becomes much easier, as you will see when I actually start solving the problems. So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.